Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you UnitedHealthcare how to become a provider. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To become a provider for UnitedHealthcare, what you need to do is prepare required information like tax identification number, national provider number, Council for Affordable Quality Healthcare ID, state license and certifications, professional liability insurances, work history, W-9 form, hospital privileges, Medicare or Medicaid certification. The next is to submit a request for participation. To do it, head over and open up a browser. Then on the search bar type in medicare.uhc.com. Then once you are there, what you need to do is visit Provider Express to begin the process. Then use the UnitedHealthcare Provider Portal to submit your RFP, and then visit Provider Express to begin the process. Then complete the provider packet request form and email it to the appropriate regional address. And then once done, what you need to do is UnitedHealthcare will verify your credentials, including licenses, certification, and work history. Upon successfully credentialing, you'll receive a participation agreement to sign in. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.